Hi mga palangga! Kamusta kayo? In this video, I'm so excited to share with you my 5th credit card, which is the Union Bank Cashback Platinum Mastercard. I supposed to have an unboxing video, pero naisip ko na mas maganda na prepared ako para mas madami ako ma-share sa inyo. And yes, finally, na-receive ko na itong card ko kahapon lang. Pero bago ko ipakita sa inyo what's inside this envelope and also how the card looks like, share ko muna sa inyo mga palangga yung naging timeline ng aking application to the delivery. So, I submitted my application mga palangga way back February 13 doon sa website ni Union Bank. So, pinalapan ko lang yung form. And on the same day din mga palangga, which was February 13, I received a notification sa kanila na approve na yung application ko. So, ganun kabilis lang. Pero, within 3 working days yung kanilang waiting time. Pero on the same date naman, nakareceive na agad ako ng approval notice. Then, on February 17 mga palangga, dahil meron ako existing card kay Union Bank, which is yung rewards card ko, at meron na din akong access sa app. So, nagulat ako kasi nag-reflect na yung additional card doon sa dashboard ng Union Bank app ko and waiting for activation na lang siya. And on February 18 mga palangga, naka-receive ako ng text message na kay Union Bank na for delivery na daw yung card ko via Intervolve. Tumawag din ako sa kanilang customer service to inquire kung gaano katagal yung delivery time, and I was told up to 7 business days lang daw madi-deliver sa akin yung card since within Metro ako. And on February 24 mga palangga, which is kahapon lang, naka-receive ako ng tawag from courier. And ayun na nga, na-receive ko na yung aking credit card. And nakakatuwa talaga mga palangga yung kanilang application kasi sobrang bilis lang ng process from the application period until I receive yung card, yung physical card. So sobrang smooth lang talaga na experience. Kaya I'm so happy with my experience with application to delivery. So ganito yung itsura ng envelope mga palangga, ganyan. Tapos dito nakalagay yung details ko. And then sa likod naman is blank lang siya. Ayan. So, share ko sa inyo mga palangga what's inside this envelope. Let's open it. Nabuksan ko na siya kahapon. Kaya, ipakita ko na sa inyo what's inside this envelope. So, first one is, meron ditong nakalagay na papel. Ayan. Kung saan nakalagay lahat ng mga benefits na makukuha natin from the Union Bank Cashback Platinum Mastercard. So, first, benefits niya mga palangga, which is the reason kung bakit ako nag-apply sa card na yon, because earn unlimited savings, so 1% cashback on all your purchases. So, I can get 1% cashback to all spending categories. Plus, free unlimited airport lounge access at Merhaba Lounge NAIA Terminal 1 and 3 and PAGS Premium Lounge NAIA Terminal 1 and 3, Davao International Airport, and Puerto Princesa International Airport. Additional benefits ni mga palangga is we can get exclusive discounts, credit life insurance. So, I guess ito na yung hinahanap ko na credit life insurance. Inisip ko kasi, sabi kasi dun sa mga ibang review, meron daw siyang life insurance kasama yung card. So, sabi dito, credit life insurance guarantee protection for you and your family in the event of ultimate death and disability. Cover up to 400,000 pesos of your outstanding balance. So, medyo naging clear na siya sa akin na it's something na kapag may nangyari sa'yo, tapos may utang ka doon sa credit card mo, so after 400,000 pesos, yung pwede nilang makover kapag ultimate death at saka disability na talaga siya. Ganun yung kanya insurance. Pero it's not something na may makukuha ka. That's something that they can waive or they can cover for you depending sa total outstanding balance mo sa card. And the other benefits, just like the same with other types of credit cards. So, ayun, hindi naman siya masyadong ganun ka-highlighted yung ibang benefits. Basta magandang highlight dito is you can get 1% cashback to all spending and also free unlimited airport lounge access. So those are the highlights benefits of this Union Bank Cashback Platinum Mastercard. Next paper naman inside the envelope is itong maliit na papel where nakalagay yung kanilang terms and conditions for Union Bank. So, share ko na sa inyo yung pinaka-highlight dito. So, sa statement of account, sasawa natin siya mag-reflect yung na-earn nating cashback. Sabi kasi doon is all purchases or spending are applicable for 1% cashbacks. I guess most of regular spending, pero may mga ano pa rin naman, may mga other spending pa rin naman na hindi qualified for cashback. Number 1, of course, is yung fees and charges, like yung interest or annual fee natin sa card. So, hindi siya nag-earn ng cashback because it's a bank fee and not a spending. So, understandable naman yun. Next is purchases per business transaction. So, if you're paying for wholesale, for a fleet like fuel, service, and distribution like yung sa mga networking or pharmaceuticals, and other purchases may be deemed as business transactions. So, hindi siya kasama kasi nagagamit mo na siya as business purchases. So, hindi siya kasama. Additionally, yung mga gaming transactions. So, hindi ko pala siya pwede magamit sa mga pambili ng skin. Pambili ng skin! Mga gaming transactions. So, hindi daw siya kasama. Recurring bills enrolled in bills manager. So, hindi rin siya kasama. Kaya mas maganda na ibayaran na natin siya manually para hindi siya mag-reflect as enrolled in bills manager. And then, the minimum cashback requirement to redeem is 1,000 pesos. That means, kapag nag 1,000 pesos na yung total cashback na na-earn mo, saka mo na siya ma-redeem in an increment of 1,000 pesos. Pero, you can do multiple, 1,000 pesos. Depende sa available cashbacks na na-earn nyo. So, yun na naman for the terms. Nakakatawa kasi, hinahanap ko to sa website nila, hindi ko mahanap. Pero buti na namin nakalagay na papel dito sa loob ng envelope where I can see the full terms and conditions of this type of card. And last but not the least, mga palangga, is yung paper na kung saan naka-attach or nakalagay yung ating physical credit card. So, ito na yon. Ayan. So, dito naka-attach yung card ko. Nakakatawa kasi naka-ano lang siya. Parang naisingit lang siya. Hindi siya yung naka-sticker, kaya madali lang siya makuha. So, ayan, tinakpan ko na kasi dito nakalagay yung aking card number sa harap. Ayan, yun yung card natin. Glimpse. For the glimpse. Dito nakalagay yung instructions kung paano siya i-activate. So, sobrang easy nila mga palangga for activation kasi since nag-reflect na siya doon sa UB app ko for pending for activation. So, sinelect ko lang yung card doon and then, ayun, press ko lang yung activate. Pero kung wala pa kayong Union Bank app and this is your first credit card, then ayan, may instruction naman dito kung paano siya i-activate yung card. And then, dito din nakalagay sa likod yung tips to safeguard your credit card. So, basahin nyo na yung mga palangga para you have an idea how to protect your credit card against fraud or any issues. So, ayan, madami namang tips na dapat nating alamin. And then, dito din nakasulat mga palangga yung credit limit ko, yung statement date, expiry date, and cash advance limit. And nakakatuwa kasi this is my first credit card with 6 digits credit limit mga palangga. So, I'm so happy. Pero hindi ko naman talaga siya magagamit ng ganito kalaki yung monthly usages ko. Pero, ayun, nakakatawa kasi meron akong option to maximize my credit card usages. Especially this card has 1% cashback to any spending. So, ganito na nga itsura ng card niya mga palangga. Tinakpan ko na kasi yung sa harap is nakalagay na dun yung card numbers and also yung expiration date. At nakakatawa kasi ang ganda ng kanyang design. Naka-emboss yung kanyang card details. Parang katulad niya yung East West credit card ko na naka-emboss yung mga card numbers, yung expiration date, and also yung name. So, ayan. Color black card siya. Tapos may nakalagay dito na UB. Tapos, ayan, may platinum sa taas and also the type of card which is MasterCard. Tapos, sa likod niya naman, nakalagay doon yung CVV, security code, and also yung signature field. Ganun na yung itsura ng card. Lagay ko na lang sa screen yung picture. So, same lang naman sila. Same lang naman yung itsura ng actual card. And sobrang bilis lang din ng activation niya mga palangga. Like, nung nalagay ko yung details doon sa UB app, and then naka-receive na agad ako ng confirmation na activated na agad yung card ko. So, sobrang bilis lang talaga, like less than 1 minute, activated na agad siya. And then, tinest ko na nga siya mga palangga, nagamit ko na agad siya after activation, and then gumana naman yung purchases ko with no issues. So, nakakatawa kasi unlike with the other types of credit card na may mga waiting time, like within 24 hours pa bago mo siya magamit. Pero this card, after activation, pwede mo na agad siya magamit. And one thing that I really like from this card yung mga palangga is yung kanyang 1% cashback na kung saan wala na akong aalamin pa mga categories kung for shopping ba yan, for dining, as long as magagamit ko siya for regular spending or sa mga regular purchases ko, I can get 1% cashback with no cap and no spending requirement. May mga credit card kasi na hanggang 1K lang yung pwede mo ma-earn na cashback, tapos may ba mga cashback card pa, or karamihan cashback cards is may mga requirement, kailangan ma-spend mo tong ganitong amount to earn cashbacks. Pero with this type of credit card mga palangga, you can earn as much as you want. Depende dun sa magiging regular spending natin. Nang nakakatuwa pa sa card na ito mga palangga is I have the option to keep all my earned cashbacks. Like, nasa sa akin kung kailan ko siya gustong i-redeem or kung gusto gusto kong i-keep muna yung mga cashbacks na na-earn ko. So, it's my choice. Kaya ayun, maganda nga talaga siya mga palangga, especially kapag may times na kakailanganin ko ng additional money, ganon, to cover my outstanding balances. So, may option ako to redeem my cashback at any time that I want. Gagawin ko na lang siya na video in the future, like kung paano siya i-monitor, saan may kita yung mga na-earn natin cashbacks, and also how to redeem cashbacks, tsaka yung process niya. And that's it for today's video mga palangga. I hope you enjoy, and please like and subscribe na din mga palangga if you haven't already for more contents like this. Again, this is John Paul, and always remember to be kind to yourself and to others. See you on our next vlog. Bye!